So let's solve this problem. So a baseball is hit so that it travels straight upward after being struck by the bat. A fan observes that it takes 3 seconds for the ball to reach its maximum height. So we're looking for the initial velocity of the ball as well as the height it reaches. So in order to solve this problem, we need to identify the given as well as the understood given. Since this is a free fall, we know at maximum height, its final velocity is 0. And of course, we're gonna use the acceleration due to gravity value, which is 9.8 meters per second squared. So here's the solution. Okay, so we need to find out first the initial velocity of the ball using the acceleration formula. Final minus initial divided by time. Okay, let's derive the initial formula knowing that the final velocity at maximum height is 0. So initial velocity is equal to the acceleration times time. And there's a negative, of course, but that negative can be cancelled by the negative 9.8 of the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so you multiply acceleration, then times time, and then cancel the second. So we have a positive value for our initial velocity, which is 29.4 meters per second. So this is our initial velocity. Reaching the maximum height, so we need to find out the maximum height. So how do we find it? So we need to multiply the initial velocity times the time plus 1/2 AT squared. Okay, so what's the initial velocity? So that's 29.4 meters per second multiplied by time, that's 3 seconds, and then plus 1/2 times the 9.8 negative meters per second squared times the time, which is 3 seconds squared. So cancel the second squared as well as second, and using the calculator we can solve for the value of the maximum height by multiplying everything here. Okay, so that's 44.1, and this of course meters. Okay, so 44.1 meters, that's the maximum height. Okay, so this is the solution for initial velocity as well as maximum height for a simple free fall problem.